Bismillah. Alright, good day guys. Welcome back to Kana channel. Konnichiwa minasan. Kana channel this. So, in this video, we're going to be unboxing another GPU, as you might have guessed. So, without further ado, let's open it up. And by the way, this GPU is how should I say it? Used GPU. That's the word I'm looking for. It's a used GPU. So we're going to open it up and we're gonna see what kind of condition the GPU is in, and so on and so forth. Any defects, any problems with the GPU, and so on and so forth. What is the condition of the GPU in terms of cleanliness and any other how should we say, condition that we should look for, or how should I open this box? Okay. I did mention this GPU is a used GPU, right? Okay, so I shouldn't expect the GPU will be in top condition, but we shall see the condition of the GPU itself. If it's in a defect too much, I need to let the seller know that the GPU is not acceptable. But in any case, we shall see how the GPU looks like and the condition of the GPU itself. Okay, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and it's a bit dark in this room, so I had to use the flashlight of the camera so that the video is more, how should we say, we can see better. I think I need to get another a better knife. Okay, anywho, so I guess some of you those that are veteran miners, I'm thinking those of you that who are veteran miners notice the price drop in these few days. Actually, today or yesterday, in between those times, the crypto price has dropped, especially for Ethereum. If I'm not mistaken, it was last time I checked, it was 20% drop. If I'm not mistaken, 20% drop. Okay, so that's the current market price info for those of you that do not know about it. Okay, so Ethereum, it dropped around 20%, around today, earlier today or yesterday. Okay, so but do not panic. Okay, do not panic. There's no need for us to panic. Especially in my case, I don't, how should I say, I don't worry much, because in the future the cryptocurrency will, how should we say, rise again. The price will rise again, so I'm not worried that much about the crypto price dropping currently. If I'm not mistaken, 2 weeks or a month ago, around that time, the price, for example, especially for Ethereum, the price dropped from, uh, if I'm not mistaken, 5,000, and it drops around 20-25% also. So this is the second time for Ethereum to drop sharply um, within this time frame of Q4 this year. So I'm not worried much about the price drop, because as you all know, crypto, in all the histories of crypto, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay, the price will go up, eventually go up. This is especially true for Bitcoin, because the inflation of the coins, uh, Bitcoin will produce, for example, for Bitcoin will produce less and less and less of a coin. Okay, so that will drive up the price because of demand. People want to use Bitcoin, for example. So because of the less rewards and inflation, less coin produced, that will drive the demand up, and that's why people willing to buy, for example, Bitcoin in higher price. Well, basically that's the economic idea behind it. So basically I do not worry much um, for the price drop recently. So I would like to say don't worry much, but some of us are trading in cryptocurrency and so on and so forth. Worrying is part of the job. So I cannot say much for those who are trading crypto coins. I don't trade crypto coins, so I don't know how the situation for them. I'm only mining, so I don't care much about trading. I don't trade anyhow, anyway. So I don't trade anyway. So I don't know regarding um, regarding the trading aspect of cryptocurrency. Okay. All right. So as you can see, we have 3070 Ventus 3X. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, this is Taiwan 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 produced. Okay, so basically if you can see Chinese words, I cannot read I cannot read them, so I cannot tell you what they are supposed to mean. Okay, because I don't read Chinese. Anyhow, this is 3070. Bear in mind this is used. Okay, this is used, it's not a new one, and it's a non-LHR non-LHR 3070. Okay, for those of you who do not know what LHR means, it means low hash rate or little hash rate or light hash rate, whatever you want to call it. But basically, this is non-LHR. Okay, it's a non-LHR. Hopefully it's non-LHR. Okay, as the seller said, this is a non-LHR card. But anywho, let's open it up and see what is the condition of the GPU. Okay, all right, let's put the box aside. Okay, so we have the bar for desktop installation. Okay, and let's take it out. How should I take it out? Take this out and okay. Oh, I forgot the 3070 is a big card. Anywho, let's take it out and see for ourselves. Okay, it is in dirty condition. Oh, this is what I don't like. Come on, man, clean it up first before you sell it. Oh my god, you see this? Let's clean it up. Oh, yeah. It's not in clean condition. I need to clean it up. Oh my god. I got dirt on my hands. So I need to clean it up first so I can use it, and hopefully it's in working condition. Oh man, it's dirty. It's very dirty. Come on, please clean up before you sell it. Well, basically it's the same one as that I bought, previous GPU. You've seen my previous unboxing, and we have a mosquito. Looks like I have to clean it up first. Yeah, obviously I have to clean up first. Well, anywho, that's the unboxing of a used GPU. Okay. Anywho, well, yeah, okay. So hopefully you guys have beneficial information from this. Remember guys, ethics. Okay, ethics. Before you sell your things, use things, clean it up. Okay, this is ethics. And hopefully you have beneficial information from this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Testing of the GPU. Right, so take care guys, and I see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.